Good afternoon. Dito tayo sa fish market ngayon. 10-10 daw, mahal. Yung mga nagtitinda ng isda dito, marunong magtagalog. Shark? Ah, talaga? Ah, pating. Magkano yan, pating? Wow.
Fish market.
Si Madam may bumili ng dilis.
Bounce.
Yeah.
Bounce.
Small shark. Okay, ngayon naman ay nandito tayo sa
Marami na tayo napangilin.
fruits and vegetable market. Oh, halika daw doon. They know how to speak Tagalog.
Ito, tamar.
Ano yan, tamar?
Tamar?
Ah, this tamar? No, baby.
No, don't watch it.
Come on.
What banana is that?
Ah,
Doon siya nagpapagdalaw. Lahat daw meron dito. Oh, diba? Oh, videohan mo siya. Lahat daw meron dito.
lahat meron dyan?
Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Tatagalan.
Sibuyas,
Pichay,
kamatis.
alukbati, ambalaya,
Oh, tama, may alukbati, man.
mahaba, pipino, upod. Lahat.
Oh, lahat daw meron dito. Brother can speak Tagalog.
Magkano
Kilo
pipino?
tatlo, mura na yan, mura. Para sa'yo mababang presyo. Sa'yo ang tindahan na ito. Wag matakas.
How do you know how speaking Tagalog?
I have too much suki. Marami suki meron
marami
dyan.
suki.
I thought your
Okay.
girlfriend Pilipina. Yung matataba.
We have so many suki Pilipina.
Thank you all Philippines guys.
Ang Pilipinas
Oo,
guys.
nakatutok.
Ipagdadasal kita lahat.
Where are you from?
From Bangladesh.
Ah, Bangladesh. Okay, you're from
Anong
Bangladesh.
pangalan mo?
May pangalan ko ay Hernel. Yeah. How about you? Anong pangalan mo?
Jenny.
Jenny.
Magkano sitaw?
Sitaw kunti lang.
Mahal
Marami.
kaya yan.
Hindi. Walang mahal. Kilo 10 ulit.
Oh, really? Kilo 10?
Kilo 10.
Kilo
Kasi
10.
Madina, you know, it's so mahal.
Huwag kang pupunta diyan.
Ito na.
Ah, bibi.
Tingnan mo di, oh. Tingnan mo yung saging, oh.
Ay, yan.
Tundan.
Ah, tundan yan.
Tundan.
Parang punta.
Grabe.
Tingnan mo yung talong. Oh, ang cute ng talong.
Ha? Eh, di ba ganyan din yung talong sa Isabela? Oo.
Meron doon.
Banana. Get the banana. It's for you. It's for you. Get the banana.
Meron ikaw,
Nahihiya.
nahihiya.
Oo. You say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Say salamat.
Salamat.
You eat the banana? Caleb.
No, later.
Later. Kamatis na napakalaki. Sibuyas na napakalaki. Tapos may ano na rin, oh, yung pipick upin mo na lang. yung balot-balot na. Oh. B, what's that?
Melon.
Watermelon? Small watermelon?
No, big watermelon.
How about this one? What's this, Caleb?
Cauliflower.
Okay, let's go.
Gamitan na.
Oy! Eh, say, assalamualaikum. Let's go.
I bet karga.
Karga. You see cauliflower? You want to eat cauliflower, baby?
No,
Why?
I'm not eating cauliflower.
Why you don't eat vegetables? There are so many vegetables here, oh.
No, it's
Oh,
you.
ayun, oh. Tamo, there are so many vegetables in here, oh. So, why don't you eat vegetable?
There's some ladybug.
Ladybug. May ladybug daw sa vegetable, kaya ayaw niya kumain.
Vegetable? Yes. Say hi.
Hi, brother.
Hi, Filipino.
Ay, Pilipino.
Baba mo na, baby. Around 3,000 dirhams. Yeah. Yeah, very clear.
How level of the watermelon is?
Big.
No, it's small.
Wow, small watermelon.
Small watermelon. Diba, it's your favorite?
No.
Nah.
Big.
It's big. Oh.
It's not big.
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you. Ayun ang mga deliver, bagong dating. Kamatis. Kamatis patatas. Okay, tapos na kami mag-market. Uwi na kami. See you ulit soon. Bye.